Hey, welcome to the channel everyone, where I post entertaining yet helpful videos weekly. If you haven't done so, please feel free to subscribe. And at the same time, guys, don't forget to press that bell button as well, so that way you can get notified for every videos that I have going. Stay tuned. As some of you know, the Acura MDX here, we just added recently into our fleet. And now the car is practically due for a B1 service, and technically here today I'm going to try to do as much as I can, but I'm going to start off with the oil and filter change on this baby, and probably other episodes of it I'll be working on the brakes and working on the tires and the whole 9 yards. Well folks, here's the parts that we need for this oil change. We got our oil. It's a 0W20 Castrol Edge, and we have our filter, oil filter, and as well as the crush washer replacement wise, and we got a 17 millimeter open wrench, as well as our oil filter plier here that we can use to get rid of that, get rid of the old filters. Well folks, we're ready to drain the oil pretty much, and have a pan ready, and making sure you don't get any of that oil splashes all over the place. Drain plug is back in place, and now it's time to pretty much remove the old oil filter. This is the messiest part of the task, which really, that's just super dumb how the way the filter is situated. Now it's time to put back the new filter by lubing it first. I always start with making sure there's oil on it before putting it in. A little brake clean there to make sure that all our spills and oil smudges all over the place are taken care of. Now that the car is pretty much down in the ground, time to check the level, and you definitely add more if needed in the process. Tap it up until it's the proper amount of oil based on a dipstick, and it's critical that you got the proper oil level there. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're pretty much done with the oil change on the Acura MDX, and the oil basically is about, well, the car takes about 5.4 quarts of oil, and by the way, the lug nut is actually torqued at 33 foot-pound, and so that's all done. The car is nicely leveled. I do level the car to make sure that you get the proper oil level.